So you have a metal building that you're looking to spray foam, but you're wondering, can you really get the entire building envelope sealed up? Let's talk about it. So you have a metal building, let's just say a pole barn, and you're wondering, there's a lot of joints coming together. Can it really be properly sealed with something like spray foam? Well, the simple answer, yes, it absolutely can. As long as your contractor is really taking the time to make sure they're finding all of these joints, and if there is a place that isn't accessible, making sure they're either closing it off or trying to make an access point to that area. Couple examples is if you have a really large barn, maybe you have I-beams at the top of the wall where it meets the roof line. Now in this space, behind that I-beam, there could be a space above, below, and also behind that beam that is still, there's a gap between your exterior wall, but if you're just looking at it from the inside of the building, you're not gonna see this area unless you're really close up underneath or even above to see that gap. Areas like this in metal buildings are very common where just if you're standing on the floor inside, you can't really see those gaps or those spaces. But again, that's why it's important for you as the consumer, pull your contractor aside, make sure you guys do a thorough walkthrough, make sure you're looking at all those beams, all the joists. Again, that's only one example. You could have areas like that around electrical panels. If you have interior walls that are connecting on an exterior wall, there could be a lot of gaps like that. Whether you're using open cell or closed cell foam on this, both can seal up this project, absolutely. Yes, open cell has a much higher expansion rate, so you might think, well, I need open cell because I need it to expand into those crevices. Yes, open cell will perform better at expanding and filling those. However, most of the time, almost every single time, actually, you can get the same seal with closed cell even with a much lower expansion rate. It's just a little bit more complicated. Like I said a minute ago, you may have to go above or really close below certain joists or beams to make sure you get coverage or contact on the outermost point of the wall or roof line to make sure you get that building envelope sealed in. As with many questions and topics, yes, this absolutely can be done, but it really is dependent on you and your contractor being on the same page. Make sure you do a thorough walkthrough outside, inside, before and after the project. Make sure you guys all know of all these different complicated areas. Make sure you have a plan of attack. Make sure the contractor knows exactly what you expect well before they start spraying. So if you have a metal building that you're looking to spray foam, go to our link below to our learning center. We have all kinds of articles, blogs, videos, everything that you need to know about foam insulation. This is the Professor of Foam reminding you that building is a science.